Mi-35P Phoenix, NATO reporting name, Hind E, attack helicopter was designed on the base of the Mi-24 helicopter, NATO reporting name, Hind. Mi-35P inherits the best qualities of the Mi-24. First time Mi-35P was demonstrated at the International Military Forum Army 2020. Mi-35P was designed to increase infantry mobility and fire support. It can also be engaged in reconnaissance and search and rescue operations. Improved performance in combination with the improved flight and navigation systems allow Mi-35P to fly at any time of the day in simple or moderately difficult weather conditions, both under visual and instrument flying rules, in diverse geographical conditions. This helicopter is powered by two TV3-117 VMA or VK2500 engines. Each engine develops a maximum power output of 2,200 horsepower. The engines are designed to support high-altitude missions. The helicopter can fly at a maximum speed of 320 km per hour. Its operational altitude is 4,500 meters. The helicopter has a normal range of 450 km and can reach a maximum distance of 1,000 km with full fuel load. Maximum takeoff weight: 11,500 kg. Maximum payload: 2,400 kg. The Mi-35P has retractable landing gear, inherited from the Mi-24. From an aerodynamic point of view, this increases the speed of the helicopter. Mi-35P can carry up to 2.4 tons of cargo on an external hook. The aircraft is protected by an armored cabin with bulletproof glass. It has another passenger compartment that can accommodate up to 8 soldiers with full combat equipment. The range of weapons includes 8 Ataka-B anti-tank guided missiles, 80 S-8 unguided air-to-surface 80mm missiles and 20 S-13 unguided 122mm missiles. A double-barreled 23mm cannon with ammunition from 450 to 470 rounds can be installed under the cockpit. The gun can fire from 3,400 to 3,600 rounds per minute. The upgraded enhanced Hind fit for use for no less than 40 years and 4,000 flight hours. The new digital autopilot provides much better stability compared to the legacy Mi-24 family, thus reducing the pilot workload.